You understand? And if you feel like the bike's gonna fall over, do you know what to do? What's that? Anyways, what? Walk away, or I'm gonna call the cops. Walk away, or I'm okay.
Emergency 000. Your call is being connected. Emergency police, fire or ambulance?
Police, please.
Police, what state and town is the emergency in?
Gungahlin.
Gungahlin, ACT?
Yep.
Connecting police.
Go away.
216-9679. ACT police, go ahead, caller.
Okay, so there's a man, me and my brother were out practicing motorbikes, and a man came over with, he's got a bag and a bottle in the bag, okay, and he started threatening us.
Okay, like saying what?
He's like, come here, and he was threatening to throw the bottle at me.
Okay, is he still there, or?
He's walking away now, because I called the cops. He's still, yeah, he's walking away.
Okay, so has he actually done anything, or is he's come up, talked to you, and now he's walking away?
Yeah, he came up and threatened us.
Okay, why was he threatening you? What was he doing?
I don't know, he just told us to go away or something. I think he's drunk, but he's on the other side of the field now.
Okay. Does he have any weapons on him or anything like that?
Just a bottle of whiskey.
Yeah. Okay. Can you describe him for me?
He's tall, white, has a green hoodie with white stripes on the arms. He's gone to some other people now.
Okay, sorry, tall, white. What colour hoodie is he wearing?
Dark green. And he's got a green bag. He's gone to some other people playing football now. And yeah, I think he's stolen their ball.
Are you guys on like basketball courts or like?
It's near the Taylor Adventure Park.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we're just in the car park. We were practicing our motorbikes, and he just came up to us. But he's in the football fields now.